The Su-24MR is a supersonic tactical reconnaissance aircraft designed and manufactured by Sukhoi. It features variable sweep wings, twin-jet engines, and side-by-side seating for its 2 crew members. The Su-24MR first flew in 1970 and entered service with the Soviet Air Force in 1974. It was exported to several countries and is still in use by some air forces today, including the Russian Air Force. Equipped with a wide range of reconnaissance equipment, including radar, cameras, and electronic intelligence gathering systems, the Su-24MR can be deployed for various reconnaissance missions, such as strategic reconnaissance, tactical reconnaissance, and maritime reconnaissance.